no doubt that Aotearoa, New Zealand, is globally renowned for its natural beauty.
We take pride in our tidy Kiwi ideology that reflects our keen attitude towards protecting the environment.
Unfortunately, there lie some untruths beneath the facade that is a clean and green New Zealand.
There has been an alarming amount of water pollution that has accumulated over the years. 44% of New Zealand's lakes are defined as polluted. 72% of New Zealand's native fish are threatened with extinction in our waterways. 90% of monitored lowland, pastoral and urban rivers are unsafe for recreation, and 62% of New Zealand's waterways are unsafe to swim in due to pollution.
In the case of our hometown Auckland, there are 16 beaches that are deemed unsafe to swim in. Local communities have since lost the privilege of being able to safely enjoy these now polluted areas that were once healthy havens for recreation.
There begs the question,
what is contaminating our waters?
The main cause is the high volume of wastewater and raw sewage pouring into our harbours, introducing high concentrations of bacteria from human and animal feces into our waters. In fact, there was a water crisis in Havelock North where an E. coli outbreak originating from a mere pond caused more than 5,000 residents to fall ill and was linked to the deaths of 4 elderly people.
To solve this issue, the water has been treated with chlorine to make it safe enough to drink. However, the bacteria is very resistant, meaning they can only be dealt with using other disinfectants or stronger concentrations of chlorine. Unfortunately, these are harmful to both human and animal health, and although the water is now safe to drink, many people are still not able to stomach the additional amounts of chlorine.
It is thus evident that chlorine is not a safe nor sufficient solution. Luckily, we believe that newfound technology will be able to help us replace these chlorine additives, providing us with safer and healthier water reserves. This solution can be found in the form of tiny little robots, microbots.
So, what is a microbot? A microbot is a miniaturized machine that typically has dimensions ranging from a fraction of a millimeter up to several millimeters, not to be confused with the much smaller robots called nanobots.
Now, when you think of microbots, you probably think of robotic insects. Tiny crawlers, something like ants, or tiny flyers, something like bees, all mechanically working together to build something or complete a certain task. However, here we would specifically like to present tiny swimmers, aquatic self-propelled microbots that can swim around our waters and trap bacteria to make our waters safe again.
These particular microbots have 2 faces. One face is made of magnesium, which reacts with water to produce hydrogen bubbles to propel itself through the water. The other face is made of alternating layers of iron and gold, topped by silver layers of nanoparticles. As the microbots travel through the water, bacteria in the water is stuck onto the gold particles, and the silver nanoparticles kill the bacteria. Lab testing was able to show that these microbots can travel up to 20 minutes in water before the magnesium face is used up. During these 20 minutes, the microbots managed to trap 80% of E. coli in a body of water with a high bacterial concentration. Furthermore, due to iron's magnetic property, the microbots are easily removed from the water body using magnets, leaving behind no harmful particles.
The prospect of microbots is also looking to be economically sustainable. Ron Pellerine, Chief Scientist at SRI's Robotics, Engineering Research and Development Division, expresses that since all the complexity of the typical micro-robot system, the power, the sensors, and most of the actuation is off-board, that keeps things simple, small, and low cost. Thus, it is shown that microbots can harmlessly and easily clean our water. Moreover, microbots are an adaptable form of technology that we can change to solve different types of pollution issues.
We must maintain our country's reputation of natural beauty by ensuring that our bodies of water are as clean as possible in order to sustain our economy and tourism industry. In addition, with the increasing urbanization of New Zealand, it is absolutely essential that we have a method to sustain clean waters throughout our future years.
Clean water and oceans are a major source of social wealth for Kiwis, as it holds the fish and fauna that underpins so much of our natural beauty. For many New Zealanders, the beach is the essence of the Kiwi dream. A place of freedom, relaxation, fun and escape.
In short, pollution is a major cause for concern. You could say we are in deep water. However, microbots may be the key to a cleaner New Zealand.